YouTube Kids, that is.
No.
Right, Roxy's guarding the open window. I'm just showing you something here. Last night, that birdhouse, I pushed that rock in front of it to wedge it up against the fence and keep it upright and straight. When I came out in the garden this morning, the bees were a bit agitated and someone had messed about with it. Now that's what I heard when I was laying down going to sleep last night, because I thought, well, bees don't get all agitated during the night unless someone's messing about with it. So I thought, I'm not going to get out of bed, I'm not going to get bothered about it, I'm just going to see what's what in the morning. But someone has been playing psychological games. As soon as I got into bed and turned the light out last night, the door slamming from cars began. And then they drove off. And then I heard the bees. So it was at that time, about 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. But there's the proof. That was upright. You can just about see the bees doing their bee thing. It wasn't the birds or the rooks or anything messing about in the middle of the night. So it wasn't birds, wasn't cats, wasn't dogs. It was another human that had hopped over the fence and was messing about in the garden while I've got Tyler staying here. That's serious. I'm not having it.